How to grow Skool community. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be growing your community on Skool in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your Skool.com community section. Now over here, there are quite a lot of ways where you can grow your members in Skool. Okay, this is how you're going to grow your community. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to invite a few people in the start. Okay, so as we can see here, it says invite 3 people. So what it does is it takes you to the invite section. Now you can copy this invitation and you can send it out to friends and family or people who are actually interested in Skool communities, or you can even share it in different Reddit forums about Skool. So you can simply go ahead, write Reddit Skool forum, and obviously there's going to be different forum about Skool communities. Okay, so what you can do is you can go into these different forums, add in your link, and ask people to join your community. Now, the second thing that you can do is you're going to make sure to add a good description, set a good cover image, and make sure the posts that you write for your community are well developed and they look professional. Okay, so everything that people see in your classroom, with courses to posts, it all needs to be, pretty good, pretty cool, and pretty professional. And that is how you can get people to grow your Skool community. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.